Okay, this is my 4th time recording this. My brother just came in and I was just about to finish it. And man, it's so annoying. I can't be bothered recycling my music. I can't be bothered doing an intro. All I'm going to say is I know my upload schedule is not consistent. I'm making these videos to document my work. And also, because I live in New Zealand, it's 9:48 a.m. It should have been 9 a.m. when the market closes. But I've been interrupted so many times and I can put out videos faster than people that are in America because they have work. Usually I have school, I don't today, and I can see this as an opportunity to quickly provide information to people. Okay, let's start. First, probably, what do we have here? I already counted this. We have 11 green days in a row. Ignore this is red. This is just slow to update. You can see here that we're green. Even post-market, like, we're still up on the day. Now, the importance of this chart. First of all, we have this resistance level, which I marked out like months ago. I never thought it was going to have any sort of importance ever again. Well, we kind of topped out exactly where these two levels support. This gold one, this red one. Now, red means less significant. Pretty much you could break through it easily. White means just like average. This gold one means like, oh yeah, it's going to be harder to break over. And this huge one means straight to the Lamborghinis. If we break over this, it'll be straight to the Lamborghinis. Now, the reason I had to record this a few more times is because I was confused, right? The topic on this video is Doji. And I've been taught that Doji is a continuational trend. So if it's an uptrend and you get a Doji, it's a rest day, and also it means that it's going to continue climbing upwards, theoretically. And if it's downtrend, it'll continue going down. Now, when I searched up what does a Doji mean, I didn't read the gravestone part. I just said that it's a bearish reversal candlestick, and I got really confused. And it was like this awkward moment when I was telling people in the video, like, oh, it's going to go up, it's going to go up. And I was like, look, I'll show you what a Doji means. And I searched it up, and it says that it's going to be bearish. And I was like, oh, now I have to restart. And I was really confused, right? So I came to this thing. A few of these I've not seen in my life. Like, I've never seen a long leg Doji. I don't even know how this Doji is possible. And, yeah, so that was the difference between the two. And a long leg is bearish. And the other one's a continuation, a standard one. And see right here, we've got this kind of short body, long bottom wick, high top wick. That's what a standard Doji is. And if we come down, standard Doji is a continuation of an existing uptrend. But you've got to be able to identify what an uptrend is. And really quick, I think we can identify what an uptrend, like, there's no levels. Wait, hold on. Did it bounce off that? Oh, interesting. But anyway, there are no levels that are. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, there's no way we're in a downtrend. There's no way you can't consider this an uptrend. That's 11 green days in a row. AMC's never ever had 11 green days in a row, and 11 green days in a row is absurd for any stock. This is the complete bottom of this whole entire period. Complete bottom all the way to the top. This is a pure uptrend, and we get this nice Doji to confirm that continuation of trend is highly possible. We are kind of overbought in the RSI and the CCI, but this is like a rest day. Comes down a little bit. Tomorrow, you might see like another rest day, a little bit of consolidation, green consolidation, I'm hoping, just so you can add to the daily streak. It doesn't really matter that much. Now, over here, this is why I charted up what I thought would happen. I thought it would come up to like this $30, rejected. It actually did. I don't really have a good trading software, but if you went to post-market yesterday, I'm sure you guys saw that it hit $30 and came back down. Now this morning we broke all the way up to $34. We rejected actually farther than I anticipated by a little bit. We came down 12%. We're down here, I only thought we were going to come down 10%. And I never thought we were going to come down 10% like in one day and be like red in a day. We weren't, thankfully. I know a lot of people probably were scared. Right, so we had a charter back. It like, comes up, comes all the way down like it did. See, look, comes up all the way down, and then tomorrow, or it doesn't have to be tomorrow, but the next move would eventually break through and then bounce off this box, which I'll explain in a second, come down and bounce up to this line, right? This pretty much box is a huge resistance level, or like a huge supply level, I guess. A lot of people are holding around the 45s as well. If you check Ortex, which I don't have, but I've just seen other people reporting it from their videos, the average people are holding in around this huge like accumulation type period. And right here we've got this purple box, which is just going to be a battle to get through, followed by the gold line, which is the Lamborghini line, and these white lines, which just can't say that word, not even going to try, which just like show you where potentially it'll be hard to break over in this box. Now, what I see for the days going forward, just checking if I haven't missed anything, because this is my 4th time recording. Okay, Stonko Tracker. Calls of the money just keep going up. More and more calls are being placed. Can't tell if it's a good or bad thing. I mean, it's good if it falls in the green, but calls that expire worthless. Like, come on. Don't be doing that. Don't be risking your money. Don't be risking your money like with huge out of the money calls. It's just such a risk, and also it doesn't really help AMC that much. I mean, sure, it gives a little bit of gamma, but huge out of the money calls, they're just wasting your money. And the money puts 1,000. That's nothing. So I want you guys to know that for stuff like this, like calls in the money, these institutions, they have to hedge for them to make sure that if these were exercised, which pretty much times this by 100 into shares, they can provide it for them. So a huge part of yesterday being green was because all these calls were in the money, and they had to like get from last week, and they had to get the shares just in case they exercise them and puts the money. Just none, literally none. Like, this is a sad number, a sad day to be a hedge fund, and 150,000 out. Like, there's so much money wasted right there. It's crazy. I can't really explain it, but if you know, you know. Opening hour, 60 million volume. Now, I don't know if I can get this up for you. Yeah, I can. Average volume, 51 million. Just in the opening 30 minutes, we broke averaging volume. If we go on Google Trends, search up AMC stock, can't be bothered doing it right now because I need to get ready for work. You'll see that AMC stock is starting to trend up a little bit. It's only been like a couple of days. Volume isn't been crazy recently. It's the second 200 million day volume, and that's like pretty much similar to yesterday. Very similar, which was kind of weird. However, yesterday we ended the day with more volume than we started with. Now, when we end the day with a lot of volume, that means there's like a lot of attention going into the stock, and a lot of people will be excited for tomorrow, and that probably explains why there's so much volume today. However, we did not see that much volume ending hour because we weren't up so much. We were only up like 0.34%, which isn't a bad thing. We still got crazy volume, but it's just like, yeah, it doesn't seem as explosive as it could have been today from yesterday. That makes sense. Back here. No, I think that's it. So let me quickly just chart out what I want us to see. I want us to see that we finished the day here, the top of this box, which is just on this level. I want to see us come up. This is what we did yesterday. We came up, and then we did this. This is what we did today, I mean. But just pretend this is here, right? Pretend this is that red wick right here, because that's what we did. We came up, came down. That's where candle is. Came up, came down. The box is where we actually closed the price at, and the highest and the lowest, or something. Wait, hold on. The wick is the lowest it went from the trading day. That's the highest it went, and that's where it actually closed. I can't remember the bottom one right now, but it's probably because I'm stressing because I've got 3 minutes to shower and get ready, which is impossible. So we did this today. Now tomorrow, I want to see us break through into the top of this box, like a 28% move. Well, not tomorrow, just in general. I want to see this 28% move play out until we reach this box. And until we reach this box, that's it. Once we get to this level, I might update, or I might just post it in the Discord. If you guys do want to join the Discord, comment it. I guess I add it to the description. we got like a nice call on Mullen, which was before Trades posted it. I know Trades is like the king of AMC, and he talks about Mullen, and it looks like I just copied him. No, this is before he posted about it, that particular move. So here, this is what I want to see. I want to see this 28% move to the green over a period of days until we reach this box. And that's what I think we're going to see. And we got this Doji that just shows that there should be a continuation upwards. And I want to see the continuation upwards beat this 28% or this resistance level right here at around $39. And there is $40, which is a psychological resistance. But it doesn't really matter too much right now. I just want to see this move first before any other levels are necessary to talk about. Alright, that's it. Hope you guys have a good day. Alright, let us.